siyakufanele leso sihlalo. Oh mama mashabadebe ibra sabakuta maya dobe soba. Aya akekho njengawe, aya akekho shememeli adosaya. No king is above you. Mana njalo uNkulunkulu wethu onamandla. Grace us with your presence. Once more, your way, oh Lord, let it be like a double-edged sword. Let it pierce through to the dividing of the soul and marrow joints. Baba, we turn our mind long and let it judge the attitudes of our hearts. uNkulunkulu we turn our mind long and let it see Lord is we pray, oh Father, that you receive glory unto your name.